Hey everybody, Jen Thompson here from Lighthouse for Life. I have 3 things I want to share with you briefly. Number 1, COVID-19 has not caused Lighthouse for Life to stop working. We are working remotely, serving from home, and we have not had to lay off any of our staff, and that is thanks to your prayers and your financial support. Number 2, human trafficking has not stopped due to the virus. If anything, more people are vulnerable due to the loss of jobs and the inability to interact socially in healthy relationships to their normal degree. So we have seen stories from reliable news sources where landlords are asking for sex in exchange for money for rent. We have seen online exploitation go up with children spending more time online and parents being engaged with work and not able to supervise the way that they normally might. And so we've also seen pornography consumption on the rise because people, again, are at home and they're bored. And unfortunately, pornographic websites are making their services available for lower cost or for free. So we've seen that. So trafficking has not slowed down, but Lighthouse for Life Ministries has not slowed down. We're just working remotely. And our efforts now are being put towards raising awareness and providing tools for you guys to use to understand how to traverse this time, safely. So please continue to visit our Facebook page. Please continue to visit our Twitter and our Instagram and our website and our YouTube channel. So our YouTube channel is Lighthouse for Life SC. Our Instagram and Facebook channels are also Lighthouse for Life SC. Our Twitter feed is L4LSC, and our website is www.lighthouseforlife.org. And we are continually posting resources and articles and also virtual awareness events through all of these different media. Our newest newsletter is actually just posted today on our website. And again, that's www.lighthouseforlife.org. And last thing I want to let you know is that your prayers and your finances are being used in the same way. As always, we have brought services of varying degrees to 5 different trafficking scenarios in the past 5 weeks. So we covet your prayers. We thank you for your support in every way. And we still are looking for volunteers and people to help us spread awareness by sharing social media posts and getting the word out through the newsletter, and also helping to debunk the myth COVID-19 has not slowed down human trafficking. If anything, we need to come together now more than ever, and Lighthouse for Life is able to do that because of God and the support of our community. So thank you so much. If you have any questions or concerns, please write us at info@lighthouseforlife.org or call 803-669-0110. And please be aware the National Human Trafficking Hotline is 1-888-373-7888, and it's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in all 50 states. All right, God bless.